What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be telling you guys what is the delivery rate, the open rate, bounce back rate, click-through rate, conversion rate, all of that stuff. So, in order to find those, there are a bunch of things that you can do. But for the Mailchimp, you will get all the analytics on your dashboard. For that, the process is very simple. Just open up the link in the description below, log in with your official account, and then get back to this dashboard over here, and then go to the analytics. You will get a detailed audience report, the subscriber rate, unsubscriber rate, all that stuff. And then becomes the report part for your all your campaigns that are going on. Then the conversion inside if you have sold anything and all the stuff. And then the custom report if you have a paid plan. But how to calculate all those stuff in the back end to know that exactly what is going on. So for that, the delivery rate is the delivered divided by the send, and it is multiplied by 100 to get exactly the deliver rate. So it comes with a percentage. It is the method to find out the percentage. So this is how you guys can do it. This is the bounce back rate, and this is the conversion rate. The goal, the optimal goal is to increase this one. If it is higher than 50%, 60%, 70%, then you are absolutely doing the right thing. But if it's below than that, then you need to reconsider your strategies according to it.